There's a couple of easy ways to change the wallpaper on your iPad. You can, for example, tap and hold any empty space on your home screen, and then from the top left corner tap Edit and Edit Wallpaper. Here you can switch to a solid color wallpaper, add a blur effect to your current wallpaper, or access your photo library to set any custom photo as your background picture. Another and maybe a better way to change the wallpaper is through the settings. Go to Settings and from the left side choose Wallpaper. You'll see your existing wallpaper setups and you can have multiple of these saved and then quickly switch between them. Tap Add a new wallpaper to browse all the built-in options. You can choose a custom photo by using the Photos option on the top, or browse all the wallpapers included in iPadOS. Pick a wallpaper and you can customize your lock screen look by changing the clock size, adding widgets, etc. Then tap Add in the top right corner to save this to your wallpapers. You can set a wallpaper as a pair, which will include both the lock screen and home screen. Or if you'd like, you can use a separate wallpaper for your home screen. If you tap and hold your lock screen, you can quickly switch between all your saved wallpaper layouts. And that's how you change wallpapers on an iPad. Go ahead and click that like button if this helped you. And check out my iPad playlist for more easy guides like this.